If you're looking to improve your passing, receiving, first touch, but you've got no one willing to train with you, you've clicked on the right video. You're watching Nathan Paull Football, and today I want to be showing you 10 passing drills that I use to train by myself, and hopefully you guys can use to improve your game. All you're going to need is a football, a few cones, and a wall. Now, using a wall can actually be even more beneficial than having a training partner. Firstly, you can always count on the wall to be there, and it will always pass the ball back to you 100%. The next important point is, if you use a wall and you train by yourself, the focus on the session is on you and your technical game. So you can get more passes, more touches, and more improvement out of your session. So before we get into the 10 drills, there's a few key points I want you to remember. When you're passing against the wall, put some power behind it. Ping the ball into the wall. You'll find as you get older, your opponents will be a lot quicker, they'll have higher anticipation and a quicker reaction time. So if you practice passing on the wall with intensity and with a bit of force behind it, when you get into a game, your passes are less likely to be intercepted by a defender. The second key point when practicing these passing drills is to keep your intensity high. When passing against the wall, put some force behind it. When it's coming back to you, get that first touch out of your foot, quickly pass it back onto the wall. Practice as you would in a game. This will help your speed of play. The third and final key point I want you guys to remember is to work on your awareness. Now, awareness is an attribute that gets neglected a lot, especially during the teenage years of football players. So your awareness means to be aware of the space behind you and where your opponents are. And you'll find as you improve your awareness, your speed of play will increase as well. So before you receive a pass, you should always be looking side to side, behind you, scanning the field, so you know where to take your first touch. Same thing when practicing these drills. As it hits the wall, look behind you, know where your opponents are and where the space is. So just one more thing, guys, I can't stress this enough. You guys need to practice. Don't expect to improve if you don't stay consistent with your individual training. So that means, say you have a great intense day on day one and then you leave it for a week and come back. You're not going to see results. So stay motivated, patient, and disciplined. Trust the process. That's when you're going to see results. Alright guys, that's enough of me blabbering on. Let's get straight into the 10 drills. Hope you guys enjoy it.